Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you a letter portrait design in Photoshop. This is very essential for your design thinking. Please like this video and give your valuable feedback on comment box. If you need any help, let me know. I will try to solve your problem next time. So friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on a platform. So no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. At first, create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow this process. Go to another image. I already removed the background. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Follow this process. Okay, I think that's good. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Now move the image in Main Project. Now take Type tool and write letter A. This font link is in description. Control T or Command T for Mac to resize this letter. This image link is in description. Now duplicate this image. Select the bottom image layer, right-click and create clipping mask. Now select the top image layer and mask. Select the text layer, right-click and select pixels. God is select, inverse. Pick brush and create a hard brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow this process. Okay, that's good. Control D or Command D for Mac to deselect. Select the text layer and go to Blending option. Stock, follow this process. Inner shadow, follow this process. Drop shadow, follow this process. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now let's move the other text group to the top. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.